Allow me to introduce the Fiji banded iguana, a remarkable reptile found exclusively in the remote Fiji Islands. What sets this iguana apart is its vibrant appearance, sporting striking bands of blue and green, making it look like it's dressed for a tropical fiesta. But the most astonishing feature is its unique way of cooling down by sneezing salt. These iguanas excrete excess salt from special glands near their noses, creating a dramatic sneeze-like spray. Native to the island paradise, these iguanas not only add color to the ecosystem, but also a sprinkle of natural wonder, showcasing the incredible adaptations that can evolve in isolation.